Welcome to Switch It Up. We are standing in an RV dealership because that's what you expect when you come to an RV channel to see about RVs. Okay, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. We have traveled, we have, you know, for the last, if you're new to the channel, we've sold everything almost 2 years ago now. We bought an RV and we hit the road and been seeing the United States. So if you like adventures, if you like going out and seeing things, if you like talking about RV tips and things like that, this might be a great channel for you. So you can like, comment, subscribe. Today, where are we?
Today we're at Unlimited RV in Kansas City, because Kansas City, if you're new, this is home for us.
It is home for us. It's fabulous. It's a nice little community that very rarely do people even talk about. We are standing at Unlimited RV, and today we're going to be talking about them and what makes them different.
If you know us and having watched any of our channel, you know that we really only go and talk to people that have same like-mindedness, and we just found these guys, and we just really like what they stand for, what they're trying to do in the Midwest with RVs, because the whole goal is just to get you out in an RV so you can create memories.
Right. And then if you think about RV dealerships and you're watching this video, then you realize that you're going to build a relationship with that dealership for a certain amount of time. And I think we'll go over that. And it could be a great relationship, or if you've read the horror stories, some horrible relationships with RV dealerships. And that is something that you need to be aware of when you're starting your journey. So today, we're gonna roll the intro, come back, and we're gonna talk about something different, something we've never done. Talk about an actual dealership. We maybe even put the owner on the spot.
That would probably be fun.
It would be fun. Slap Stacy around a little bit, that's his name. I don't think he'd appreciate that any.
I don't think we want to slap him around, that seems inappropriate.
We might be able to get you some deals. All right, roll the intro.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
All right, we're back. Okay, so everything's been set up, chairs are out, Noe's been playing, and we got a little bit of a break, so it's a little quieter, which is actually awesome. The fun part, Sheila, is this wonderful mobile right behind me. Yeah. Check this out. Sheila.
That's just right up your alley.
Yes, family vacation. Isn't that what RV life is? It's family vacations, but that was like the original family vacation mobile.
It's like, to me, it's just about creating memories. You love the car.
I love everything about it.
Yeah.
There's only like 4 of these replicas made, and he bought one of them. So Stacy, this is actually the owner. He actually owns this car, and he keeps it on display in the parts department, which is fabulous.
Yeah, speaking of Stacy though, we should find him. I've got some questions for him.
Yeah, how about we do this? We'll roll some B footage of like the event of people coming and going. We'll corner Stacy, come up with what we're doing with Unlimited RV and why we're here, and kind of give him, we'll kind of go and find out why he created and what's the special thing and why we're here.
Yeah.
Sounds cool?
Sounds like a good idea.
We came a little over prepared.
You never know when the crew shows up.
I was there for climbing trees, skin knees and stitches, crushes you thought were love, and first awkward kisses. The day you had your first beer and the day you got baptized. That cold Wednesday night you found out your granddad died. Now I know I must remind you of love that didn't work out, but there's still some hurt and this old dirt that you can't get around. But don't let me be the reason that you went looking for your freedom. We should come back somehow. Wherever you are, wherever you go, you're welcome here. You know the road. I'll be waiting with my arms out.
I was headed down to show Kaylee a truck camper that has a patio.
We were headed down, but we haven't been that far yet.
It's a well, the last time I was here, they had one. I don't know if it's still here, but it has a patio on it. much roomier than the truck campers from the 80s. Even the TV. Okay, it has everything we could possibly need.
Girls trip.
Girls trip. Yeah. The campers that I grew up going to the lake and stuff with, they didn't have bathrooms.
Oh, right. Yeah, ours was a little corner one. It was pretty small. It was the only bathroom. There was no extra stuff.
Outdoor TV. Just in case walking a couple extra feet is
It's too much. It's just too much. It's about luxury.
Right. And good storage. And patio that you can escape on. Actually, a truck camper with a patio just helps extend that, like where you don't feel like you're so
And you
stuck.
got your tent. You got your canopy.
Yep.
Wherever you are, wherever you go, you're welcome here. You know the road. I'll be waiting with my arms out.
Got it.
I'm good to see you.
I just stand here and look pretty.
Very good. Yes, indeed. You do it well. You do it well. It's not-
We all have a role. We all have a role.
So first off, I wanted to thank the Switch It Up crew, Todd and Sheila, for coming out today for our big fall open house. A huge success.
Oh, it's fun.
We were really fun. I saw you guys talking to
Got to
your...
lead a lot of people. Yes.
Absolutely. You know, I come in as the owner of Unlimited, kind of master
You're the
ceremonies.
hero. I was like, hey.
Yep. And I'm looking, and there's like these pods, and they're like, hey, you guys are down from Nebraska. You guys are over from Illinois. So love the Switch It Up crew. Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity to kind of share your friends with us as we kind of go on this journey together. You guys full-timing in the RV
Yes.
and sharing those stories. So just wanted to thank these guys for it.
No, it was a lot of fun.
It was
really
a lot of fun.
appreciate it.
Absolutely.
We enjoyed sharing Unlimited RV with the crew. They had not been here before, but telling them how important it is that they find a dealer that stands behind the product that they sell and for service, and we just know that that's your heart, what you're doing here, and so that means a lot for us to share that type of dealership with our crew.
And no pressure.
Absolutely. Low key. The bar's up here. The bar's here.
Don't fail.
Yeah, don't fail. 5 stars only. 5 stars only. Yeah. No, that's huge. So thank you for that opportunity, and we will do our very best to meet everyone's expectations.
Yeah.
So yeah, absolutely.
In our experience traveling and going to different dealerships, it's unprecedented. I know a lot of
What
people
you're
don't
doing.
understand that, but it really is an unprecedented thing. You don't see that in other dealerships. As a matter of fact, we purchased ours a long time ago. That dealership has no idea who we are. So it's like knowing that you're taking care of people. I wish that we would have had that from what our experience was back in the day.
Quick story, because I love to ramble. Today we had Diane here. She had bought a camper from me, the 3rd camper I sold 5 years ago.
Oh,
That's
wow.
right, we're that new. She bought a $20,000 single axle camper.
Okay.
Today, she came back in. I believe in the next month or so, she's going to be trading it in on a $130,000 motorhome.
Right.
That loyalty, that family, that taking care of the customers, it's just phenomenal. 5 years. She's back. She said, I told you I'd be back in 5 years to get a motorhome, and here she is.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Pretty
That's
awesome. Yeah.
And that's why we want to partner with you as well, because we're about building community and building a family, and so we're on the same page with that.
Absolutely.
And so that's why this is just a good
And
partnership.
Kansas City's home.
Yes.
I think
Yeah.
it gets overlooked a lot in a lot of different parts of the United States, but it is. Kansas City is just a different place. And it's awesome that you've kind of like sprung in out of the weeds, and now like everyone's like, wait a minute, who are they and what's going on?
Yeah, absolutely. David and Goliath.
Yeah.
There we go.
First 2 locations are up. They're running. We're adding a 3rd and 4th location. 3rd and 4th locations are just really strong brands. Maybe not full-time brands, but really strong family brands, weekender brands.
Right.
Columbia is going to have the Cherokee brand. Cherokee, a bazillion Cherokees are sold because people start with Cherokees, they start with bunkhouses, they use them on the weekend. Columbia is going to have that. It's going to be open in the next 90 days.
Okay.
Wow.
Lawrence, which, I mean, if you look at a map, that's really Kansas City west.
Right.
We're going to pick up Cedar Creek. We're going to pick up Flagstaff. We're going to pick up Boost XLR toy haulers.
Oh, wow.
So across these 4 locations, we really
You're
have.
going to carry just about everything that you'd want. Now, when we got our RV, we didn't have that many choices.
Yeah.
That was the part.
Where were you?
Yeah, where were
I
you?
know. I missed it. I missed it. Yeah, I missed it. Yeah. It's happened that quickly, but
That's amazing.
it is amazing. It is amazing. So very fortunate, very blessed. You know, come to this location, come to any location.
Then you'll be able to funnel out and saying, okay, well, what are you looking for? Why are you looking for it? And you'll be able to fit that need.
Absolutely. LimitedRV.com has all these campers, you know,
Okay.
500, 600, 700 campers, depending on where we are in the season. We will deliver them to your house. And we can provide the service network throughout our locations, which is probably a good segue. Talking about service.
Okay, so here's the thing: is like when you buy an RV, you have 1 year from the manufacturer basically, and they're going to help take care of anything that happens. And what have we learned?
Well, we have learned, and all of you that have RV'd, you know that what really matters. Anybody will sell you a camper. They really will. Anybody will sell you a camper, get you out on the road. But what really matters is your dealership. If your dealership is going to stand behind the product that they sold you and service it, and these guys have something very interesting. They have what's called a lifetime warranty, and that made me go, what?
Yeah, kind of cocked my head a little bit. It's like, what does that mean?
What is that?
Most of the time you have to pay for extended warranties and you do all that. So how did you concoct this idea?
Sure. So we are the highest rated dealer in Kansas City. 4.7, 4.8 on Google, tops on Yelp, tops on Facebook. Not perfect, but we're there. We're calling our customers back. We're hitting issues head on.
Communication is key.
Communication is key. You'd mentioned the 1 year manufacturer warranty. That's what all campers have from the factory. My wife and I, as the owners of Unlimited RV, we really wanted to have something to fall back on after that first year.
Right.
So we crafted our own lifetime warranty. It's private label. It's serviced throughout the United States and Canada. There are no deductibles, no pre-inspections, no additional inspections, and it covers the big stuff.
Yeah.
So your camper has 2 or 3 ACs. It covers all of those ACs as long as you own the camper. It covers
from you,
from the warranty, the warranty. Yes, we put that on.
That you purchased from them. Okay.
We put that on every single 4-year and newer, so currently 2018 and newer campers.
Okay.
To give you that peace of mind.
Wow.
And when you come back after that 1 year, invariably something major fails, and we don't have something to go to if you didn't buy that extended warranty.
Right.
We're not doing it that way. We're going to put lifetime warranty on everything. We put lifetime warranty on everything. We started that in October of 2020.
Right.
And everything moving forward has that to cover the ACs, the heat, the water system, the appliances, the slide-out motors.
If your trim falls off, no. Come on, let's not be petty, people.
Exactly. It's not.
You can put that up yourself.
Exactly. It's not bumper to bumper. However, it's the costly stuff. It's the stuff that you just spent $125,000 on a brand new Solitude, on a brand new Momentum, and you're like, wow, this isn't good. It's 13 months and I have to replace an AC.
Right.
Not cool. So we are the only ones in Kansas City, really the only ones in the Midwest
that come up with this idea to help meet that. And I think that was one of the things after going through our challenges. That was like, okay, if we're gonna do a little partnership with Unlimited, that was the very first things I asked you when we sat down. It was like, okay, what about the warranty? How is the service? And you're like, okay, service, you're working on some other ideas as well, because as you add the other locations, he's working on a net. There's a lot of things happening behind the scenes.
Yes. Yeah.
And so I am super excited about it because I see the value for a person that buys the RV and how you're bringing them into a community, a family, and then how you're going to service them.
Yeah,
that's the cool part.
We talk a lot, as we kind of wind down, we talk a lot about sales, which I guess on the surface I'm sales.
I know, look at the shirt.
That's right, I'm shiny.
Get the name tag.
I'm shiny. Sales sells the first camper. Service sells the second camper, the third camper, and so on. The dealership you bought from will remain nameless, but I doubt you will go buy from them again because the service or lack thereof, it just didn't meet your bar.
Sometimes all I want is somebody to pick up the phone.
That's it.
Absolutely.
Like, that's a low bar.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so just to know that where your heart is, what you and Janella are wanting to create, this family behind the community, that's exactly the heart of the Switch
It's a
crew.
fit.
Yep, it's a great fit.
It's a fit.
And we're looking forward to this. What you're going to see is that you're going to see some of us posting some of our stuff, our travel things, and some shorts on their Unlimited RV stuff, which is going to be a lot of fun. And then we'll bring you different things, especially if like we're going to go to like the Tampa show and we find something that you really like, but you can't come to the Tampa show. This will give us an outlet because we can say,
Right in the Midwest.
Stacy, they got this thing. You're going to be able to find it here, and it'll be a local representation of a national thing that we're going to. So there's some really cool ideas that we can.
We're working on all kinds of different things together. We're just looking forward to a future relationship.
Yeah, and we set the bar really high, so if
yeah.
he fails at this, it's all on him.
Bad deal.
Thank you so much for having us out.
Thank you guys. Yeah.
And we've really enjoyed this event, and I'm really looking forward to seeing where everything goes. It's exciting.
It is.
It is.
Very much so. So awesome. Well, thank you from Unlimited RV. Thank you from Switch It Up, and good things to come.
Yeah, you got anything?
I just want to thank you, Stacy, and your whole team that was here today. We invited crew out, and what I loved is I watched as our crew came in to meet us. Your salesmen were finding out exactly what they're looking for, kind of what they might help them with, and they walked them around, showed them different things. But I have peace of mind knowing the warranty that you're offering, the service behind the sale that you're offering. That just means a lot to us, that if we're going to turn our crew over to you, that you're going to take care of
Because
them.
you trust us.
Yeah.
And that's important. And it wasn't salesy, it was more informative and how can we help.
Yeah, they're just here to help. And so your guys, your whole crew today took care of our crew, and it means a lot to us.
Appreciate that.
And then the last thing I think is going to be kind of cool, we've been kicking around some ideas that if you come in and you actually buy an RV through Unlimited RV, I think what we're going to do is come up with like some sort of like a Switch It Up thank you or a Switch It Up back end where you can get us, some special deals on some of the upgrades that we've experienced, like from like Tire Minder and things like that you can, when you drive away, you have some peace of mind on some upgrades that we've done.
Yep.
So we're putting together some stuff. So if you do come, just mention Switch It Up and see where we go from there.
Absolutely.
Kind of cool. Love it. Thanks, man.
Thanks
Thank
for
you, guys.
taking
Oh, that was
me
fun.
today. It was
I
fun.
enjoyed that.
Yeah.
We had a great day. Thank you.
I know you think I'm just Friday Night Lights. Way too much gossip and Bible verse.
Another day in the books.
Any day that I get to meet new crew, I love it.
You guys really turned out. It was really amazing to actually meet with you and hang out. The event was fabulous. The food was spectacular.
It was a good day. The weather, I mean, it's a little windy, but it's not freezing cold, so I'll take it.
I'll take it too, especially at the time of the year it is in Kansas City.
Yes. What I did learn though, babe, is we're finding more and more crew from Kansas City, so I've got to plan some more events in the Kansas City area so we can get together, get the crew together, the KC crew.
So is that next year, 2023 plan?
I think so. We got people. People drove from Illinois.
Yeah,
and
you
from
guys
Nebraska
are amazing.
just to come say hi. That means a lot to us, and so we're just need to get together.
All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Be a doer of all things, like we like to say here, and we are looking forward to sharing with many new things that are happening behind the scenes. And Unlimited RV was just something that was, I don't know, a surprise, a little surprise.
Good fit for us.
Good fit. All right, have a great day.